Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on HEXO. I've talked about them a couple times here on the channel, and just time for an update. Again, this is HEXO. Ticker is HEXO. Here you can see what they've done over the last year. Down over 91%. Had the nice run up there on February 10th. $10.28, and it's down quite a bit since then, so hasn't recovered at all. Down over, we'll just call it 70% in the last 3 months. In the last month, it's down over 32%. In the last week, down over 9%. And here's a look at today. It's actually in the green, so we'll see what it ends up with here today. But I have 80 shares at $1.69. This used to be a cost basis of about $17.04 or something like that a couple videos ago. And I've decreased it since then, but I'm still way in the red. So if you don't know much about HEXO, I'll link my other videos. Otherwise, you can get a snapshot right here. It's an MJ company. Founded in 2013, volume of 4.58 million, average volume of 6.9, $190.96 million market cap, so very small. 52-week low of 0.4603 and a 52-week high of $11.04. This one's currently rated at a 50% hold, and next earnings is coming up on March 17th. In the pre-market. And as you can see, I haven't bought any of this one for a while. I got 10 shares at 85 cents a little over a month ago. Over here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing it as a hold. There's some more information about HEXO. Feel free to pause and go over that. But like I said, I've talked about them numerous times. I'll go ahead and link those videos in the description as well. Price near 49 cents. A daily chart shows downtrend for the last 20 days. The price is down 0.03 cents from the hour prior. This hourly chart shows that HEXO has seen 2 straight down hours. If you're a trend trader, consider the strongest clear trend on the hourly chart exists on the 20-hour time frame. The moving averages on the hourly time frame suggest a bearishness in price, as the 20, 50, 100, and 200 are all in a bearish alignment. So very bearish on this one. Here you can see the chart and the lovely downtrend there. So shorter duration moving averages are below the longer duration averages, implying a stable downward trend. The chart below shows HEXO's price action over the past 90 days. HEXO daily RSI analysis now stands at 0. HEXO and RSI both have consistent trends, as they are both heading down. And so don't know how much more down this one's going to go. The 52-week low was 46 cents and a low of 50 cents today. So probably hit it somewhere, yesterday. So if you don't invest in HEXO Corp, now you'll regret it later. Some might argue with that. So this is dated on the 24th. Trading price of HEXO closed lower on Friday, the 21st, closing at 53 cents, down 6.56% lower than its previous close. In examining the 52-week price action, we see that the stock hit a 52-week high of $11.04 and a 52-week low of 56 cents. Over the past month, the stock has lost 36.21% in value. Market valuation is $230.19 million. At the time of this writing, is expected to release its quarterly earnings report on March 16th. of 2020 through the March 21st of 2022. Investors' optimism about the company's current quarter earnings report is understandable. Analysts have predicted the quarterly earnings per share to grow by minus 8 cents per share this quarter. However, they have predicted annual earnings per share of minus 38 cents for 2022 and minus 19 cents for 2023. It means analysts are expecting annual earnings per share growth of 45.70% this year and 50% next year. So, probably just have to keep waiting on this one, and I know there's a lot of people in this one. I'm sure there's some that sold out and said the heck with it, but I would be selling at a loss, so I try not to sell at a loss and wait for it to come back up, but all the ratings here are showing this one as a sell. HEXO provides update on the path forward, maintains a number one position in Canada, announces a Redecan product and market expansion. And this is dated on the 25th. So they're a leading producer, quality MJ products. Today provided an update on the previously announced strategic plan, the path forward, designed to solidify HEXO's position as the number one MJ company in Canada by recreational market share, with the goal of becoming the first amongst its peers to be cash flow positive from operations. The path forward is made up of both expense and growth initiatives. Today announced new product launches supports our strategy to accelerate growth through organic market share gains and speaks to our commercial capabilities and strong innovative pipeline. HEXO is committed to providing its shareholders with updates as the company executes the strategic plan. Today's announcement provides updates to one of the 5 strategic pillars. And here are the pillars talking about Redecan. So just going to scroll through this. Talks about some gummies, some THC per pack, sold at $5.95. CBD forward body lotions. So got a couple different products going on here. So and kind of goes over the market share update here. Remains focused on its mission to become the leading Canadian licensed MJ producer. Number one in Canada market share. And they have capsules, pre-rolls, beverages, oil. So a lot of these are just a waiting game until federal legalization. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens with these in the long term. Have you analyzed stock trends and performance? This is dated on the 25th. So 11.12 shares of HEXO were traded, and its beta was 1.96. Most recently, the company's share price was 53 cents, and it changed around 0.0 or 1.33% from the last close, which brings the market valuation of the company to $259.6 million. 52-week high of $11.04, almost $1,983.02 off of the amount. The share price 52-week low is 52 cents, which indicates that the current value has risen by an impressive 1.89% since then. We note that the HEXO Corp's average daily trading volume on the 3-month average coming to 9.83 million. And again, kind of some of the same information we went over, trade information, estimates and forecasts. We'll go over some more of that at the end. Why Hexo, Tilray, and Aurora got smoked today. Get it, smoked. And this is also dated on the 25th, yesterday. Saw the stocks tumble right along with the rest of the NASDAQ. By the time the trading was done, for Tilray, stock was down 2%. Aurora had fallen 2.6%, and HEXO 5.2%. HEXO seems to have been to blame for much of this. So in a press release early in the morning, HEXO gave investors an update on its strategic plan entitled The Path Forward, explaining how HEXO shares, of which traded above $30 just a couple of years ago, but now fetch just 50 cents, intends to regain its mojo. Right there's an Austin Power quote. Regain its mojo and get its share price moving higher once again. So, new product launches appear key, which we kind of already went over. The transdermal cream, CBD forward body lotion, new line of gummies. So it sounds like they have a lot going on. And the Redecan subsidiary to begin sales in Nova Scotia. But this one, just like Sundial, they got lots going on. The stock price just doesn't reflect that at all. They're launching other new products as well, including pre-rolls and dried flowers. Together, the company is hoping that its new products will solidify HEXO's position as #1 MJ company in Canada by recreational market share. Admiral goal of one I expect a lot of HEXO investors would like to see happen, and in fact many analysts who follow the stock predict that HEXO will turn cash flow positive in 2023. We will wait and see. HEXO never generated a positive free cash flow, and analyst predictions and management promises notwithstanding, HEXO doesn't appear to be on any particular path to doing so at present. Over the past 12 months, cash flow at the MJ company was negative $75 million, better than the $95 million in negative cash flow suffered in 2019. Over here on Reddit, Amazon is ramping up to push for legalizing MJ. I was talking about Amazon and some of their deliveries. I think they're probably wanting to sell products on their website, I'm sure, but that would be very interesting for both Amazon and MJ in itself. Amazon endorses GOP bill that would legalize MJ on a federal level. So there we go. Maybe Amazon will get the job done for us. Over here on StockTwits, currently at 52 cents. 52-week low of 52. I think Robinhood showed something different. High of $11.04. Buy. Just cover your greedy shorts. Have a trust mention the debt note of concern. And not much other information in there than what we've already went over. Emerson Money currently showing it as a hold, and Tip Ranks currently as a moderate sell with a 98% upside to $1.02, high of $1.66, low of 63. But that's all that I have on HEXO. If you have HEXO, go ahead and list that in the comments. And if you bought this dip in the 46-cent range, that would be interesting to know. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.